Hello children, today we start a new chapter construction which is actually a part of circles chapter. So here we are going to do the part 1 construction of tangent to a circle from an external point. So as we have seen in earlier discussion on circle that there are two tangent possible from an external point to a circle. So this is the question, radius of circle. So this is ML Agrawal's first solved example. So question reads like this: draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so first what we will do, we will take 3.5 and we will draw a circle with radius. So put at 0 and put at 3.5 and we draw a circle. So we center you can mark always. So always mark the center because all the distance are measured from the center. So check again that this is because if your length, if there is small change in your length also children, you may not get the correct answer. Whole thing you'll have to do again. So we take 3.5, we draw a circle with radius 3.5 and next part of the question says that mark a point P outside the circle at a distance of 6 centimeter from the center of the circle. So we draw, can take another pencil, 6 centimeter long line segment we draw. So mark the end here and join with O, and this point is called P. After that what we do, when we want to have two tangents from P, we take children little more than half because we are going to draw here your perpendicular bisector. So take more than half, you know, from your earlier classes. So take more than half and join them with dotted lines. So join them with dotted lines. So actually you will see what we get is here this is perpendicular as well as bisector. So this, if you check, this is exactly somewhere 3 you will get. Okay, so this is perpendicular bisector of line OP. Then with this as radius, you can take M, you can call it point M, and you can draw a circle with M as center and another circle we draw. So this is M. Okay, and then what we do is, so we mark this point as M, and if you see the second circle cuts the first circle at 2 points. Let us call it A, and you can call it this point as B. Okay, so now you can join from this exterior point, this is your one of the tangent when you draw from P. Okay, this is one tangent and second tangent is up. So you draw PA and PB as two tangents, and when you measure children, what I see is roughly you get PA, one of the tangent PA or PB, so you write with pen, okay, the length of the tangent, okay, the length of the tangents, both are equal children. If you want to see my discussion on this, you can see part 3 of my video lesson where we have seen that this 2, when you join this, it gives you two congruent triangle, this distance are equal. So what we get, AP is equal to BP is equal to 4.9 centimeter. Okay children, so once more I am telling you, this is part 1 of my video, and each part I am going to do one sum. Okay, one more sum I'll do on tangent in part 2, then we will move on to encircle to sum and circumcircle to sum. So remember this here, we are doing construction. It is chapter 16 of ML Agrawal's book, and if you are doing by concise, this is chapter 19. It is 3B. So what you will think what it is actually your revised syllabus, children, not the original. If you see the book, it has been revised and reduced, and it was 3C in the old book. Means what book you have, the old syllabus, I should not say the old book. It has become 3B because 3B was loci and it is out. So 3C has become 3B. This is circle construction. Part 4 is construction. Okay, if you see part A of the syllabus, if you see, is this is what you will have in your book. Geometry 3, we have similarity. Okay, you will get my lesson very soon on similarity also. Then most of the syllabus I have almost finished except 3-4 chapters. Then loci is now not there in the revised syllabus. Circles, I have made 5 video lesson on angle properties, cyclic quadrilateral properties, tangent and secant. Here I have got 2 videos here, and 3, 4, 5 is on tangent and secant properties. And if you see, out of the 6 theorems what we had, the tick ones are there in syllabus now, that is reduced syllabus. Okay, so this was, if you see, 3C. Okay, and here if you see, this is what I am doing, which is part 4. So 3B part 4 now. Okay, 3B part 4. Then we have mensuration. So part 4 is construction. So first thing is what I did, construction of tangent to a circle. So in the next video you will see one more sum. So this was, children, ICSE 2011 solved ML Agrawal's book. So once more, how we are doing, please see. First we take, if you see the question nicely. 3.5 radius, draw a circle with center as O, and you from the center of you draw a line 6 centimeter long line segment, and where it ends we call it P. From P you can take in any direction, just for convenience we have taken it over here. So with OP as line segment, we draw perpendicular bisector, we get a point M, so which is at equal distance from here. So we draw another circle where the second circle cuts the 2 circle, we call it A and B. We join PA and PB. These 2 are the tangent, equal tangent, whose length will be approximately 4.9. So plus minus 1 centimeter, that range is there, which is considered to be correct. So you measure AP and PA. So this is how we draw 2 tangents from an external point, which is 6 centimeter from the center of the circle O, and the point P is at a 6 centimeter distance. So kindly you can copy it and try, and then in part 2 I am going to take your one unsolved question from ML Agrawal's book. Thank you, children.